Hello everyone, this is CJ Jalo Farms. As you can see in this video, on October 8th, we have some strong winds and very heavy rain in the Gambia. So some of my Napier grass have been laid to bed, man. They've been laid to bed. Look at that. Look at that. I guess what we can do now, cut some of them off, feed it to the goats, and save some to make silage. Look at that, some of them are completely broken. Some are still good, it's just laying down on the side. We can cut those and it can still grow back. But the rest, as you see, I guess we wanted some water, now we had some, but it comes with a cost. But look at that, I just wanted to show you. So I'll take some videos after we cut them off to make some silage, as well as feeding it to the goats.